Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. I now want to talk about something really important because a lot of you do it yourselfers and like to buy things online. I do that sometime. I buy things from Amazon. I've been having good luck with this ASIN time and belt kits. I bought this one last week for a 6-cylinder, and everything inside came Japanese. They have the Tyco, whatever you call it, and everything seemed to me same as the original. So I ordered another kit for 2000 and for the Honda 2005 Honda Civic. The Civic is a little different, but here's what I got when I opened this. You know, seemed like to me the box for the tensioner, and guys, here's the story. That's really interesting. This is the box for the tensioner. It's not the same as the one I got for the other vehicle, which is the, what do you call them? The Japanese ones like these, you see? So this one seemed to me it was a cheapy one. They stick in there. Okay. Anyway, believe it or not, guys, with the timing belt on, got everything back together, start the car starts for about 2 minutes and then shuts off and won't start again. So I knew something going on with the timing belt. So we went back and took everything off, checked the marking, and it skipped about 4 teeth. Likely, thankfully, it did not damage the engine. We put it back together, but what I did, I went and bought a new kit from AutoZone. And the kit from AutoZone did a good job and everything went well. But sadly, this it says ASIN and it says blah blah blah, made in US, assembled in US, not even made in US. Okay, I think this is a cheap kit. I think this is a fake one. This is not a real one. And the tensioner, that spring failed and made it skip. So I recommend you guys stick with the local. When it comes down to timing belts, stick with the local. When it comes down to big jobs, stick with local. At least you can go to a local and tell them, hey, you screwed up my car. Your thing failed. On Amazon, you're not going to be able to do that. Nobody's going to pay you for that. AutoZone, if you have a commercial account, AutoZone, if you're a commercial business and you have a part that failed, like in a short time, and it damaged something, or your labor, they'll pay you your labor. That's what AutoZone does for me. They pay me my labor. So if this was AutoZone, I would have been able to get the labor from them. I file a claim, it takes forever, but you get the money. In this case, I bought it on Amazon, and honestly, it's the last time I buy a kit from Amazon, timing belt. Yes, I buy, supplies like these, lights, Amazon. I buy things like that, those clips, you can buy things like that from Amazon, but honestly, I won't buy a timing belt kit from Amazon because you never know if it's fake. It's not real ASIN. Okay, or ISIN, how you say it. So my advice, guys, if you do this, don't buy it on Amazon. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.